There's a really cool art trend that's just sweeping through the community, and that is reverse coloring. It's supposed to be a very fun and relaxing activity that you can just do with a black pen. And yes, your girl's obsessed. This is rather nice. But sometimes it's really hard to know where you even start with a reverse coloring page. So I'm gonna bring you behind the scenes and show you my own creative process and transform a page from this into this. It's gonna be a pretty whirlwind trip inside my very demented mind. It's gonna be laid back, it's gonna be relaxing. Get ready to dive into the creative and very messy process of reverse coloring. So these are the last 3 that I did. There was a 4th one, wasn't there? Well,
it's gone forever.
These were what we did last time. Super fun. Now let's go find a new one that we can
have for our next victim.
Ooh, this one? Let's do this one. This one is
speaking to me.
What if I turn it around like this? Oh yeah. I'm gonna grab me a pen. Let me put this down with tape. Oh yeah. Coloring page.
Down.
Now, the first thing that I see, these dots are standing out to me. Like, these remind me of the centers of flowers. Just make little petals facing different directions, being like,
how do you do? I do good. How do you do?
Maybe add some flowers over here. Now, these flowers are just floating out in space. As neat as that would be for a movie idea, I think I want to actually keep them to the ground. Do some stems, some simple leaves. I'm just kind of making it up, even though some of the colors don't lend themselves to having the leaves there. I'm gonna do it anyways.
You do what you want.
Stem, stem, stem. Okay.
Now what?
This is it like a cliff maybe? Like it's on some sort of rock formation. These flowers are growing on some sort of rock faces. Try to give them the appearance of looking jaggedy. Yeah, let's put some cross hatching on there. Oh yeah. Now it's starting to come together a little bit. This like reminds me of volcanoes. So like maybe this can be like the edge of a volcano. And this could be like all the lava that's like spurting out of it. Like
stop it, get some help.
And it's all spilling out over here. Just spilling everywhere. Doesn't quite look like a volcano now, does it?
Bitch, swear.
Alright, well, mountains over here. We'll just ignore that part. Da-de-da. Mountains. What are these? What are these things? Clouds. They're clouds. Some cute little clouds minding their own business, pretending everything is okay and that the world is not on fire. And then this is the sun. Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, shine your rays on me. You know what? Maybe I could do some doodle-doos for those rays. More doodle-doos. If y'all are like, what the hell is a doodle-doo? Watch my other video. I explained it all there. Y'all smart, you can kind of figure it out.
From the contextual clues, darling.
Guess let's go back to whatever this is. What do we want to do here? It's a rock. Lord. Maybe I'll just put more jags.
Just jag it up.
I'm just looking for random spots just to add more cross hatches to make it look craggly, scraggly, skin your knee 12 times till Wednesday kind of rocks. We need some more flowers here because I need to distract myself and not think about how I have no idea what to do next. All of you are screaming at me right now being like, oh, can't you just see that there's this thing that you can do? It's not coming to me. This whole area is bewildering. We gotta focus. All right, let's figure out what do we want to do with this. Well,
2,000 years later.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say
Eventually.
Stop it, you're distracting yourself.
I'm all out of time cards.
I see it. What if this is actually hair? This is a girl? This is her hair. Oh, yeah, it's coming together. She's like Mother Mountain. She's stuck. No, she's not stuck. She is the mountain. Hair is flowing. It's matching the sun rays with the doodle-doos. I think there might be hope after all for this. Accentuate her chin. Everything is connected. Nature and the sun is all connected. Doesn't quite look like it's connected here because, half-assing it, but that's okay. Maybe there's something here. Maybe a flower. Yes. Do another one just to establish that this is what's actually happening. Ooh, I kind of see something here now. I'm kind of seeing like another face maybe. This is the lips. Eyes are closed. And maybe we'll accentuate her features. We'll form her face from the negative space. I like what this is turning into. Kind of weird and ethereal. I can mess around with this. Now, should the sun be something? Should he have a face? Yeah, let's do it. Just chilling. Give her some hair like inside of her hemisphere, not just emanating. Oh yeah, that works. Maybe another just rock. I know my rocks make no sense whatsoever, but we're improvising, we're figuring it out. Ooh, maybe somebody could be sleeping down here. Yes. Okay, I see something. I see a nose. Yeah. And her hair's just kind of flowing, connecting into the mountain there. I kind of want to give her like that chiseled look of the other rocks just so she matches. Maybe some more rocks here. Over here, maybe there could be one more face. Where is it?
Where's that face?
Trying to follow the contours of like where the colors are, like the start of her hair a little bit, kind of give her some like chiseled jawline to match the ground. It's kind of, you know what, these kind of look like water and these look like little sailboats. No, we're not touching it. We're not touching those. We said what we said. Cute little clouds minding their own business.
And that's that.
Wrap crescent moon in there. Just get this like ethereal spirit flowing. So if you guys are really interested in reverse coloring and want to try it out for yourself, I made my own printable reverse coloring book, which I have available in my shop. These are 40 pages of high resolution hand painted reverse coloring pages that you can print out as many times as you like or use it on your iPad with your favorite art app. Or if you're interested in getting your hands on a printable reverse coloring book, check out the link in the description below to my shop. All right, now back to the show.